converting a lead, I should not fight those validations, isn't it? So what I'll do, I'll create a new field. I'll say checkbox is lead. I'm just saying is lead, okay? Next, visible, say next. This is my field and I'm saving it. The same thing what I'll do, the same field I'll be creating in my contact now. I'll be creating in my contacts. Contacts fields, new checkbox, and the name, the API name between two fields should be same. Okay. Whatever you are doing it there, the name should be same in both the objects, both in lead and contact. This is what you need to remember. And then I made visible to all my profiles. And then next, and then adding to a page layout also. So this is done. Now what I'll do, I'll go to my leads again. I'll go to my leads. Then I'll do a field mapping. Then I'll do my field mapping. Map fields. I'll go to my contact. Now you can see is lead is there, right? Now I'll say is lead. So what happened? Whatever value I saved in my is lead, it will be tagged to contacts. So save. Now again what I'll do, I'll go to my contacts, I'll activate my validation rule. I activate my validation rules. But I'll add one more condition here. It's not just I activate, I'll add one more condition and I'll say not off and I'll say not off because I need to mention this field, right? Not off is lead. Then only I need to fire my validation. If it is not a lead, then fire because it's everything is that, then it will check ultimately, right? Isn't it? Any question on this? I think you guys are good in validations. What is missing? Not is lead. Okay, let's come up is missing. Save. Now I'll create a new validation rule. I'll create a new validation, new lead now. Okay, I'll say that and title. I'll say and phone is some random. Okay, I'll change my phone. Yes, this is my phone. I'll say is lead. Before what happens? Let's say without selecting lead. What I'm doing, I'm trying to say. I'm trying to convert without lead. Convert. If I try to say convert, then what happens? Validation account, you got a validation error, isn't it? Now what I'll do, I'll change a little bit now. I'll edit and I'll say is lead and I saved it. Now we had a validation rule condition written saying that if it is false, then only do a validation error. Then do not fire a validation. That's what we mentioned, right? Test, I'll say convert. Is converted. So mapping is not still why it is showing. 1 minute. Cancel. False means true. This is already true. True means false, then it should not fire. Let me go to setup. Contacts. Validation first. I'll deactivate and I'll check whether it is doing or not. Edit. What I'm saying, if it is not lead, then throw error. If it is not lead, not means if I made it true, then it becomes false. If it is false, then it should not fire. Okay. I'm just deactivate. What error we are getting here actually? Convert, convert. validation error on account, please provide a valid phone number. Okay, it is an account object. I got confused. It is an account object. In account object, we need to provide a valid phone number. What is the valid phone number that we can do? Like, we need to say +91 234 5678910. Say this is an account issue. Say convert. Now I'll get test convert. Now here you need to observe we had a validation rule active also. So just converted. Now it got created. So you can skip how to skip a validation rule. You need to create a custom field saying that is lead or something, okay? And whenever you are doing a convert, and you need to map those fields. How to map a lead fields? All you need to go to setup. All you need to go to setup and go to your lead object. Go to your lead object. Inside lead object, you will be having a lead fields. In lead fields, you will be getting a map lead fields. In that, you can able to jump to different objects here, either contact or account or opportunity, and you can map those fields to the relevant account fields. Clear? Or opportunity or contact fields. Clear this? Clear? Any doubt?